Hello everybody, I hope you're very well. Okay, so today is actually, I've been excited about doing this video because it took me down memory lane. I love reliving my childhood and all that. And so I just thought I'll let you in on the little bit of journey that I went through today. I'm one of four girls, Gopika, Ambika, Devika and Renuka. So Amma and Achin sent three of us off to Ooty to study, and when we were 5 years old, as soon as we turned 5, we were sent off to school, boarding school. And of course, oh my God, the craziness that we got to up in boarding was a different story. Yeah, of course, the first week of howling into our pillows, and then after that, forgot about family and friends back home, and it was just that life is what. And Achin actually sent us to get more independent, to learn to stand on our own 2 feet, not to get, to stand up to bullies, all that. You know, he wanted us to speak good English and all that. So we went to Nazareth in Ooty to study. And when we used to come back home for holidays, my mother, both Achin and Amma used to come and pick us up, right? Amma used to look at us like, oh my God, what are you all looking like, you know? I mean, my knees were always skinned, my elbows all rough and crocodile skin on my hands because it was so cold in Ooty. And we used to say, look, I've got crocodile skin. But, she couldn't wait to get us back home. And back home, it was a ritual, you know, what she used to get into. It's amazing the things. I mean, I think I've learned about how to look after skin and hair from how Amma used to deal with 4 girls. And when I say 4, when Renu was born, Devika was 2, I was 3, and Gopika was 4. So basically, we are just so tight in age as well, you know. So all these little Pikri Pillaira running around, and just, we were like, I know I was like a hooligan, yeah. But Amma just had to, that 1 month of winter holidays that we got from Ooty, I think it was 1.5 months. It was amazing what she used to do, you know. So it was all, she used to get all those things ready even before we came. There's something known as Teken Mutta body oil. It's ruby red in color. It's amazing. Every time I go home, I bring back a bottle with me, you know. And it's Teken Mutta is not actually buds, but it's the tender leaves, the really baby leaves of a teak tree that is nipped right there when it grows out, and that and small Kerala onions chopped up, and the leaves of the teak tree ground, and black jeera. All these things in coconut oil. It was boiled and boiled till all these ingredients, they just become like powder, black powder, and the oil turns not blood red, but it's ruby red. It's beautiful. Okay, so all of us used to get these oil baths. Amma used to rub us down with oil and say, okay, now you stay there with the oil on for a bit. Next one. And then it was a scrub, a body scrub that she used to do. She used to take green gram dal and put it in the sun, dry it out, powder it, and amba haldi or kasturi manyal, that as well, dried, powdered, and mix it with water, and she used to scrub us down. I remember after the bath, I used to walk around saying, oh my God, my skin feels like silk. You know, I used to love it. And then we grew up, and then we got married, and we started having our own babies. And I'm the only one who has 1 child. All the other 3 sisters have 2 each. And, the normal problems that a girl faces when she's pregnant, and then after the baby, it was like, oh my God, these stretch marks, the whole body goes through a change, and it was just awful. The darker neck and pigmentation happening, and pregnancy pigmentations and all that, and one after the other, Gopika, Ambika, Devika, Renuka. It's crazy. So Amma used to make this amazing, it's like a cream, and and I remember it for years. It's been donkey's years now that we've been, every time we go back home, we use it, and we carry a little bit with us. It's a little difficult to make as well. It's made out of banana peels. It's cold pressed. These banana peels are boiled and cold pressed, and all these different oils go into it, and it's just amazing because the skin changes color. I mean, all that pregnancy pigmentation just used to vanish. The new stretch marks all gone. I mean, there was no. I mean, I can proudly say that I haven't got a single stretch mark. And also the ones who had stretch marks, older stretch marks, they all started just fading. And I remember, once I got into the product line, I was like, this is one cream I definitely want to bring out. And I just didn't. And I wanted to bring out the Teken Mutta oil as well, body oil as well. Just didn't. But you know what? I have to introduce my elder sister to you, Gopika. She is amazing. From when I remember, I have worshipped the ground she walked on. Yeah. Growing up, I used to look up to her for everything. And then, of course, she got married at 16. I got married at 17. The next one at 18. And the last one at 19. It's crazy what that life was about then. But Gopika took it onto herself to make this cream, which Amma used to make. And I'm like telling her now, please start making the oil as well. And maybe all of you can tell her to make the oil. But she started making the cream. It's been about a couple of years that all of us get our little dabbas because it's just so difficult to make, this cold pressed banana leaf. And it's got grapeseed oil, which is brilliant for the skin. It's got wheatgrass oil and almond oil. And because there's a fruit in it and oils in it, there are two different kinds of preservatives that have to go into it and all that. So anyway, so Gopika started, Amma used to, of course, purify it in one torta and all that to get that, to get the extract of the banana peel. Gopika got herself one of those machines that you can get a cold press, extract from. And she came and gave me her her cream about a year and a half ago. And I have been after her life. I said, can you please make it under the AP name? She says, no, because I'll have to make millions of them. So, but, my dad's name is Gopinathan Pillai. And when he had his first daughter, he wanted her name to begin with Gopi. And that's how Gopika got Gopika, her name. So she has actually brought out the cream. And because it's homemade and she makes it herself, and she's called it Gopi's. And it says, with banana peel extract. It's a face and body cream for all kinds of stubborn pigmentation and to get the smoothness in the skin. I mean, for stretch marks and everything. This is Amma's recipe, yeah, that you will get in your hand if you want it. So she was like, okay, how do we go about doing this? She says, I don't want to make, even though I'm adding the right preservatives, I don't want to make thousands and keep it. So if you order from her, she will then make it immediately and send it out. Now, because there are preservatives in it, it's got a 2-year shelf life. But she wants you to use it in 2 or 3 months. All right? And also refrigerate it. Now, if you have any doubts about this cream and what goodness it can do for you, you can actually WhatsApp her. I've asked her to get another phone, another number. I said, people will want to speak to you about this cream, yeah? And so she's got Gopis written there. And I said, is that for Achan or is it for you? She said, for both. Since it is Amma's cream. And I'm glad she's done this because I don't know if the manufacturers can do this banana peel extract situation. Let them check it out. If they can, we'll probably bring it out in bulk. But right now, if you order, she will make it and send it out in 2 days. So she's excited about it. I am really excited because this is part of my childhood, growing up with these products. And please ask her to bring out the Tekin Mutta oil, which is like, I have to tell you, it's amazing. So these are products that I'm happy, very, very happy to introduce to you. There you are. Gopis face and body cream. It's a cream, and that's how it looks. So because of the banana peel extract, you might find little black dots here and there, but it's not spoiling or anything. It's fabulous, and you're getting it made. Nobody really, I mean, none of the AP products are made today and sent out to you tomorrow, So this is one of those products that is made just for you. So there you are. So of course, she has asked Sandhu to take her orders, and you can also message her and speak to her. Please don't call her and bug her, but I'm sure let me explain about Gopika. She's not at all like me, yeah. First of all, her Malayalam is only 10 times worse than mine. So if you're going to speak in Malayalam to her, enjoy her Malayalam. It's too cute. But I don't know if you can speak to her. You can probably WhatsApp her and she will answer. You can send her voice messages and she will answer. She will explain to you how good this cream is. She will explain to you what all it can cure and what all it can handle. And I talk about pigmentation because a really good friend of hers had terrible pigmentation which was medicine induced. She was on very heavy steroids and she got this terrible breakout of pigmentation, and she started using this cream and the pigmentation started going. And I use it. I use my vitamin C. You know me. I use a lot of things that I keep layering on. And I've also incorporated this in my skincare, especially through, days that I'm working out in the sun, getting so sunburnt. But my vitamin C is something that I can't do without. So if you are clubbing the cream for pigmentation, use your vitamin C first and then the cream. These are two things that will help with pigmentation. And then once it all goes and you want to keep it clear and beautiful and everything, look at those birds. Just the golden saffron range is for clear blemish-free skin. So there you are, Gopi's cream, just for you. I hope you will enjoy the cream as much as I do, and please take good care of yourselves and be happy. Definitely, I think, it's all a state of mind, happiness, yeah? I mean, the days I want to be unhappy and grumpy, everything around me is terrible. But most often I get up and I say, life is beautiful, and life is beautiful after that. So you take good care of yourself, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.